These are entries from last week. Now, last week, if you refer to the levels that I gave in the chat, right? So what happened is that this was a strong move down, right? And impulsively broke this swing. So and then this, what happened was it did the 3 swing moves. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm looking for that 50% retracement. It did that and it came down. Now, so I'm just only going to highlight all those trades that gave, the 1-to-1. As long as 1-to-1, I'm going to highlight out. So I want you to see these patterns happening again and again and again and again, so you know how to use this report. Okay. So here, entry, stop loss here, TP here, done. Trade was done. This was silver. Silver almost gave you a heart attack. I know that. Impulsively moved up from here, break the swing high. Just like Candy in the previous week, almost gave a heart attack, almost hitting a stop loss, but from there it started moving up, giving us a nice return. Okay, so you can see from here that's dollar CAD. Now this is Aussie dollar. Now I want you to look into detail. This part right here, see this, you see the price came down, up, down, up again, and then what happened was that immediately down and up, right? So this is the crucial part. If you have a high and then immediate down and up, then I will use this even though it's near. Okay, so 50% retracement and up we went all the way, even including up to today, even went higher. So if you look, the benefits of doing an N5 entry is that your returns are really, really huge if you catch them. And if you understand, what is the general direction of the market, if it's really going to go upwards from here and it's going to go really, really far, this can actually translate into huge winnings. Just to give you an example here, this from here is your 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1, 6-to-1, 7-to-1. That means you risk $1 and you have already pocketed in 7 so far. So these are the cool things that can actually build accounts, right? But nevertheless, there are some that are still new. Even taking here at 1-to-1, not an issue, right? What's wrong with that? As long as I have a high accuracy, right? Week in, week out, if there are losses, I always mention there are losses. This is a loss, but you can see with your own eyes, we have more losses and more winnings. You do see it, right? For New Zealand dollar, same thing, very near, up, down, oops, and it pushed up from there, right? So after pushing up, came down, and then that was another nice move as well. Okay, so these are the trades